Today we're making a romantic dinner for two. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a romantic dinner for two. However, the irony is these are Cornish hens. They were supposed to be bigger. They're not. These were all I could get at the time, but we're just going to go with it. Everything which you're going to see down in the description, which has all the ingredients listed, it will work for whatever size Cornish hen that you have, but these are really small, so it's sort of funny. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the Cornish hens into my baking pan. Small baking pan. After washing my hands, I'm going to take, this is just about probably, I'm going to take about 1/8 of an onion. You can use less, you can use more. Place that inside. 1 clove of garlic, which has been smashed. Placing that inside. Now I've got oregano, basil, and rosemary. I'm going to give these a quick shake. Sprinkle some inside the birds. You can do that before the onion, you can do that after the onion. Once again, after washing your hands, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You can rub that into the bird. Just remember you are touching a raw bird, so make sure that you wash your hands afterwards. I'm going to take pepper, just a little bit of salt, and then sprinkle a little bit of our seasoning over top of the birds. I'm going to cover this with foil. Normally I would have done this in a roasting pan, but they just look so sad in the roasting pan. I'm going to cover this with foil and let it roast for about 1 hour and 15 minutes until they are done. Alright, my hens are out of the oven. They are slightly undercooked because I still have to take all of this down before dinner time. So I'm going to warm them up a little bit later, and I didn't want to overcook them. Now you should cook yours. It'll probably take about 1 hour and 15, an hour. Then just nicely brown them, and they will come out so good and so wonderful. I'm sure I'm inserting shots of what it looks like on the final plate. I don't want to do this right now because we're really going to eat this. Well, I hope that if you make this, you'll let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And remember, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.